Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add audio tracks to your videos and voice recordings to presentations in Canva. Whether you're creating marketing content, a slideshow, or just want to make your video more engaging, adding sound can take your project from simple to stunning. Let's get started. First, open Canva and make sure you're using Canva Pro, since the audio and recording features are part of the Pro tools. Once you're in your workspace, open the design or presentation you want to enhance. On the left-hand panel, you'll see an option labeled Audio. Click on it. This is where all the audio magic happens. You'll find Canva's built-in audio library, which includes a variety of music tracks sorted by mood, genre, and style. Whether you're looking for upbeat background music, relaxing tones, or dramatic cinematic sounds, there's something for every project. Take your time to listen through the tracks and find one that perfectly matches the tone of your design. When you found the right audio, simply click on the track and Canva will automatically add it to your timeline. You'll notice a new audio layer appear below your video or slides. From here, you can easily adjust where the music starts and stops by dragging the ends of the track. If your video is longer than the song, you can loop or duplicate the track to extend it. Now, if you're creating a presentation and want to include voice narration, Canva also allows you to record directly within your project. Click on Upload greater than record yourself and a recording window will appear. Use your microphone to speak clearly. Then save your recording. Canva will automatically add it to your presentation slide. You can reposition and trim it just like any other audio file. Once your audio is in place, always preview your project to make sure everything flows smoothly. Listen for transitions, volume balance, and timing between slides or scenes. Adjust as needed until it sounds just right. Finally, when you're happy with the result, click on Share or Download to export your finished project. And that's it. You've successfully added audio tracks and voice recordings to your Canva videos or presentations. Adding sound isn't just a small detail. It's what helps your audience connect emotionally with your content, so experiment with different tracks, record your own narration, and have fun creating something truly memorable. Thanks for watching and happy designing.